Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Friends, if you watch me regularly and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. And even if you choose not to subscribe, it's okay. Still, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up if you want to, or leave me a comment. Let's start interacting. Y'all, I've been wanting a Frito pie, so I guess I'll make one this week. So let's go over here and get a can of chili. There's so many different brands here, so I guess I'll just get the regular Wolf brand chili, which is what I always get. And no matter if it's canned chili or homemade chili, I always get heartburn. Okay, I'm just going to show y'all around the store a little bit, show y'all a couple of items that they have on sale. And by the way, this is Winco. We're at Winco right now. And this is a little seafood area, just in case y'all want to come get y'all some seafood. But let me ask y'all, do y'all make a grocery list before y'all go to the store? Or do y'all just go to the store and just randomly pick up things and try to remember what you need from the store, and then get home and realize that you bought stuff that you didn't need and didn't pick up the stuff that you did need? And also, do y'all shred y'all's cheese? Because I normally take this cheese right here home, the sharp cheddar, the block, I take it home and I shred it. So do y'all shred y'all's cheese by hand, or do y'all like to buy the one in the bag? Some people say that the kind in the bag is not as good as, you know, the one that you shred at home. Child, I probably just made that up. Let me shut up.
Department, line 1, Meat Department, line 1.
So y'all, they have these potatoes, which are the red ones, but I am looking for like the white potatoes. The skin on, to me, the skin on the red potatoes, the skin on the red potatoes, it tastes like really bitter to me. So I like to get the ones with the white skin on it, which I don't see those. Oh, like these right here. Like these. But that's all they have. So I told y'all in the last video that my patio screen in the patio has holes in it now. And I'm thinking that it's from grasshoppers. That's what I'm thinking. But I went to the store and some people recommended that I get sulfur to get rid of the grasshoppers as well as any other annoying bugs. Not the flying bugs, but like spiders and other things that I don't want to be around. Okay, friends, let's move on out to the backyard. These guys have finished digging all of the holes, so I think they're looking.